LinkedIn tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn for your professional job search or for finding an internship for yourself. So firstly, I want you to come on to linkedin.com. So once you come on to linkedin.com, I want you to simply sign up over here by simply putting in your email address and your password. It is absolutely free. They're not going to charge you any money, and you can simply find the right job or the right internship for yourself in all these different departments and so much more. So once you do that, I'm going to catch you guys in just a second. So once you've signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So basically you have your main dashboard, and this looks very similar to Facebook. I understand the resemblance, but the thing is they have basically made it this way because this way like people don't have to relearn everything, and they essentially know what everything is all about. So over here on LinkedIn, there are a couple of things that are being prioritized. So LinkedIn is basically all about making connections. And guys, like in real life, I'm sure you guys must have heard that you have to do some networking, and you have to basically expand your group and stuff like that. Well, that is done to basically expand your connections, and the more connections you have, the more people you can reach out to whenever you want an opportunity, or the more people you can reach out to offer your services as well. Because honestly, everybody wants to do that, because guys, everybody wants to make the most money they can. And honestly, this is a really nice way to get started with your first job or with your first business. So now over here you will basically see all of these dashboards and all these different things. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on the search bar from the top, and you can literally type in the name of any business person that you know. So for example, I'm going to type in over here Grant Cardone. So once I type in Grant Cardone over here, I can basically see the official LinkedIn of Grant Cardone. And now from over here, I can basically see all of his companies, all the things that he's been doing, and all of his net worth as well. So why is this important? This is important because essentially what happens is that because people over here, they really want to connect with the best people. And for you to connect with the best people, you actually need to make contacts with the best people. Now to do that, you can simply click on this follow button. And once you click on this follow button, you will be following Grant Cardone, and you can simply message him as well. And obviously his team will reach out to you if you really have something interesting to say. Similarly, for example, any other person like Gary Vee over here is as well, and even your company's manager, he doesn't have to be famous. Every single person, every single executive is over here, and you can literally reach out to them quickly without much problem. So now from over here, once you have connected with a lot of people, now you can simply click on my network from the top, and then once you click on my network, you will basically be able to see all the connections that you have. So if you were to click on the left side on connections, you can basically see all the people that you have connected with and all the people that you have basically a connection with. So you can essentially directly just reach out to them, and you can basically get mentored. You can basically get people in your field, hire people, offer opportunities if you have a business, or basically work with other people who might be interested in working with you. So that is very nice. Then below that, you basically have your contacts. Now you can basically sync your contacts by simply putting in your phone number, and by simply connecting your phone. Basically if you have LinkedIn on your phone, then you will see your contacts over here, and then some groups, events, pages as well if you're following any, and also some hashtags and newsletters. Now these were the basic things of LinkedIn. Now let's take a look at the jobs section. So from the top right, click on jobs. Now once you click on jobs, you can basically see all the different opportunities that are available in your country or in your state, or basically depending upon what location you put in while you were signing up, you will see jobs over here. Now over here, you can basically see there are two tabs. Firstly, you have the remote opportunities. If you want to work remotely, you can simply choose the remote opportunities. If you want to work with, a big company, you can choose this particular section which says recommended for you, because over here you will only see jobs that really match your skill set or really match the specifications that you put in while you were signing up on LinkedIn. So that way these jobs are basically perfectly suitable for you, and that is why it really matters to apply on these jobs, because you are actually going to be happy on these jobs, because these are really going to be the jobs that you want to basically work on. So LinkedIn basically has an algorithm that matches your skill set and your bio description with like people or like companies offering those jobs. Now, once you have applied on jobs and once you have like a couple of connections as well, how will you know like how many people are reaching out to you or how many people are messaging you? So from the top right, click on notifications, and then you will see all the notifications over here. So for example, if there are any new jobs that are being offered in the skill set that you offer, you will basically see notifications over here. So like right now I am seeing that basically there are video editor jobs available in Pakistan, and there are a total of 2 jobs. So like I can simply check out these jobs, and if I want to apply, I can apply with just one click. Now, how does that one click application work? So like when you set up your profile on LinkedIn, whatever you put in your profile is basically going to act like a CV whenever you apply on different jobs. So like you don't have to manually like insert your CV if you don't want to. I mean, like there is an option, but if you don't want to do that, just simply make sure your profile is top notch and your profile is going to be sent as a CV. And I mean, like honestly, it takes like 5 seconds to like apply on jobs, whereas like compared to other people, it gets really hard. So like over here you can basically see like some more posts over here depending upon what people you followed, and then you can even like see case studies depending upon like what skills you have to basically improve on your profile and to basically like skyrocket your career. Now if you have some chats going on, you will basically be able to see them in the messages option and like basically chat with like other people. Now over here, if I were to click on more from the top right, I can basically see all the different options that they offer. So like they have an insights option, they have a learning option, they have a find leads option, they have like your pro finder and salary options as well. I'm going to basically open up the find leads option and the insights and the learning option. Now once I've opened up these 3 options, now firstly we have the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Now let's say you want to stand out from the crowd. Let's say you have a business and you want to expand upon your business. How can you get leads? How can you basically capitalize on your business and expand it and find the right people? So using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can find leads and accounts in your target market. You can get real-time insights for warm outreach, and you can build trusted relationships with customers and prospects. They even have a Sales Navigator team, which is going to like basically harness the power of your team's shared network and so many more features. Like honestly, this is just an all-rounder if you really want to expand upon your business. Then if you want to like learn more skills and like basically get certificates that are being recognized internationally, you can simply sign up for a free month and you can do the following courses. You can learn about Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, I mean like Visual Studio Code, like anything depending upon what your skill set is. You can also like change it from over here as well. Like there are just so many options and thousands of courses, and all these courses are internationally recognized. So like what this means is you will essentially be getting a course that you can literally show anywhere in the world, and people are going to respect it because all of these are offered by basically LinkedIn themselves, and LinkedIn is owned by Microsoft. So you can definitely rest your case and you can literally take these courses and have a good career. Then you also have the talent insight. So like basically over here, you can basically see how many people checked out your profile, how many people actually wanted to text you, actually took your address, took your number. So like that way you can know how many people are actually interested in like, working with you. Then you also have LinkedIn Premium as well. So like basically you can use LinkedIn Premium to basically stand out in job applications and like, basically in comments and posts. I mean like promote yourself, learn about more jobs, learn about more potential opportunities with LinkedIn Premium. And honestly, this is a gem of a tool. If you know how to use LinkedIn properly, I'm telling you, you guys can really expand upon your business. So guys, this was basically the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.